Here's a 1,300-word detailed overview of the 2025 Honda Civic, covering the introduction, exterior, performance, interior, pricing, and an overall impression. 2025 Honda Civic Overview. The Honda Civic has long been a cornerstone in the compact car segment, known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Over the years, Honda has refined this model to balance everyday usability with a touch of sportiness and style. The 2025 Honda Civic continues this tradition while integrating modern updates that appeal to today's drivers. With a refreshed exterior, enhanced technology, and the same solid performance Civic fans have come to expect, the 2025 model reinforces Honda's reputation for delivering value-packed vehicles in a highly competitive market. Exterior design. The 2025 Honda Civic receives subtle yet meaningful changes to its exterior, blending evolutionary updates with the familiar sleek, athletic profile. Honda hasn't overhauled the design dramatically, understanding that the previous generation was already a hit with consumers. Instead, the Civic sees refinements that make it sharper and more contemporary, while still unmistakably Civic. The front fascia is slightly more aggressive, with a more defined grille and slimmer LED headlights that stretch further into the fenders, giving the car a more futuristic and streamlined appearance. The bumper has been tweaked to look sportier, especially on higher trims like the Sport and Touring, which feature gloss black accents and larger intakes. These models also offer LED fog lights and darkened trim pieces, lending a premium touch without overdoing the flash. Along the sides, the Civic maintains its clean lines and aerodynamic shape, with a slightly lowered roofline that gives it a more coupe-like silhouette, though it remains a true four-door sedan. The alloy wheel designs have been refreshed, with sizes ranging from 16 to 18 inches depending on the trim. The rear gets new LED taillights that are slimmer and wider, connected by a trim piece that gives the illusion of a full-width light bar. It's a restrained yet confident design language that appeals to both younger buyers and longtime Civic loyalists. Performance and handling. The 2025 Honda Civic offers two primary engine options, both refined for better performance and efficiency. The base engine is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 that delivers around 158 horsepower and 138 pounds-ft of torque. This engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, offers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, ideal for commuters and daily drivers who prioritize cost efficiency over thrills. For those looking for more punch, the higher trims come equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing approximately 180 horsepower and 177 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is also mated to a CVT, though it has been fine-tuned to reduce rubber band-like lag and deliver quicker throttle response. The turbocharged Civic provides a satisfying balance of power and fuel economy, with responsive handling that makes it more enjoyable than most cars in its class. In terms of driving dynamics, the Civic continues to impress with its composed ride and agile cornering. Honda's engineers have tuned the suspension to absorb bumps gracefully, while still providing excellent feedback through the chassis. The steering is light yet precise, giving drivers confidence during urban navigation and highway cruising alike. Braking is strong and predictable, and the Civic maintains great stability at high speeds. Fuel efficiency is a hallmark of the Civic lineup. The 2.0-liter engine delivers EPA estimates around 31 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway, while the turbocharged variant achieves slightly higher numbers due to its more efficient power delivery. These figures put the Civic among the top performers in its segment for fuel economy. Interior and technology. Step inside the 2025 Honda Civic, and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that feels more upscale than its price tag suggests. Honda has emphasized clean lines, ergonomic design, and high-quality materials throughout the interior, making it one of the best in its class for comfort and aesthetics. The dashboard features a horizontal layout that emphasizes width and openness. One standout element is the honeycomb mesh trim that stretches across the dash, cleverly hiding the air vents while adding a modern, cohesive look. Soft touch materials, piano black accents, and well-finished plastics contribute to a premium ambiance, especially in the upper trims. Seating comfort is excellent in both the front and rear. The front seats offer plenty of support for long drives, with available heating and power adjustment options. Rear passengers enjoy good legroom and headroom, even with the sleeker roofline. The Civic easily accommodates 4 adults, and even a 5th passenger won't feel overly cramped. In terms of technology, the Civic is well equipped. The base model comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims upgrade to a 9-inch screen with wireless smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium Bose audio system. The interface is intuitive, with responsive touch controls and physical knobs for volume and tuning. A detail drivers continue to appreciate. Digital instrumentation is standard in most trims, with the Touring trim offering a fully digital 10.2-inch display that can be customized for navigation, audio, and driver assistance information. Other available tech includes wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a moonroof, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Safety has also been prioritized. Honda Sensing, the company's suite of driver assistance technologies, comes standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are included in higher trims, bolstering the Civic's safety credentials. Pricing and trims. Honda has priced the 2025 Civic competitively, offering a good range of features at various trim levels to appeal to a broad audience. The lineup includes several trims: 60, Sport, X, and Touring, with each offering a progressive step up in terms of features and performance. The base 60 model starts around $24,000, providing excellent value with standard Honda Sensing safety tech, LED lighting, and a solid infotainment system. The Sport trim, priced around $25,500, adds a sportier appearance with unique wheels, black trim, and additional interior touches like a leather-wrapped steering wheel and paddle shifters. The X trim, starting at approximately $27,000, introduces the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, heated front seats, a power driver's seat, and a sunroof. At the top of the range is the Touring trim, priced just over $30,000. It includes all available tech features, a fully digital instrument cluster, PREM/IUM audio, leather upholstery, and more advanced safety features. Each trim is well positioned in the compact sedan market, offering strong value for the equipment provided. Overall impression: the 2025 Honda Civic reaffirms why this model continues to be a top seller in its category. Honda has smartly refined